welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mint thuvayal. Very healthy and delicious side dish that best goes with idli, dosa or even with rice. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and to this add 3 garlic pods, 3 dried red chillies and 1 cup of fresh mint. Dry roast the ingredients for 5 minutes in low flame until the mint leaves shrink. Now the mint leaves are nice and ready. The raw smell of the mint leaves are no more. So at this stage add quarter cup of chopped coconut pieces, a lemon sized tamarind ball and quarter teaspoon of salt. Saute well for 2 more minutes in low flame. It's been 2 minutes now, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It will take around 20 minutes for the ingredients to cool completely. It's been 20 minutes now and the ingredients are nicely cooled, so transfer it to a mixer jar. Grind this to a coarse paste. When you choose nice and fresh mint leaves, the water from the leaves will be more than sufficient. But if you feel it's very dry, you can add a teaspoon of water when grinding. We are looking for a thick paste like this. Now a delicious and healthy mint thuvayal is ready to enjoy. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas or rice and enjoy with your family and friends. You can store this in refrigerator and enjoy for 3 days time. Very easy, healthy and delicious side dish recipe. So do try this mint thuvayal recipe at your home and write back me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.